Don't pay attention to that. I'm a mess. Hey guys. Do you guys see this? So since my last video was me trying to glow up in 24 hours, I figured I should keep on this, you know, better me journey, and I'm gonna clean my room. I like to make piles. I feel like I should also like be going through my clothes, like, am I gonna wear this? Am I not gonna wear this? Like, do I need this? I have so much clothes. So this is what she looks like before. Guys, I still sleep with a bear. I know it's really embarrassing. I know I'm 19 years old and I still sleep with a bear, but you know what? Yes, there are water bottles in my room. I use my Hydro Flask every single day. It's my parents' fault. I'm eco-friendly, see? I'm eco-friendly. But I really just exposed myself. These jeans are so cute. This is Par Wars. It's like Star Wars, but it's Par. Guys, look at this new shirt I got. Look how cute these shoes are. These are my new obsession. They're Doc Marten platform shoes. They're so sick. It's a statement. Stripes are in. I'm calling it. Striped sweaters are in for fall. I love fashion so much. Before I decided to go to school to become a nurse, which is like, this is completely different spectrums of jobs, but I actually thought about becoming a buyer. I didn't know if I'd be able to make it in that industry. Chose to do nursing because I love to care for people and work with children. That's what I want to do. I'm really excited about though. Like maybe when I'm older as a side job, I'll do something with fashion. I have some really big news. Ever since my last video, I've started to work out. Fully working out. Sprints, full-on cardio, full-on ab workouts, full-on squats. Guys, I do like 100 squats a day, I swear. I'll be like, once you start working out, you get to eat so much more food. It's amazing. See how my abs are coming along. Look at those abs. I mean, let's try this again. Guys, I'm actually starting to get a six-pack. I know, like 1 week, how can I get a six-pack? Bam! Hard work and dedication, man. That's all I gotta say. That's all I gotta say. Yep. Look what I can do. Did you guys just hear that? This looks disgusting. Back to cleaning. I really haven't gotten that much more done. There's something wrong with me. Cleaning out your room be like. I don't know other type of videos to do. I want to do videos cooler than the ones I've been doing, but the problem is I only have the idea to do videos at nighttime. The other day I was with my friend Kelsey and we were at this art show thing. It was such a crazy day. I'm just gonna explain why that day was so great for me. So we decided to get breakfast. I got a salmon Benedict, I think, or something. I found a piece of plastic in it. Like, I just found plastic in my food. And he's like, that's not cool. We're taking that off your bill. And he just voided it. And I was like, that's so nice. You didn't have to do that. Thank you so much. The next thing that happened is even crazier. So I had these Steve Madden shoes. They had mold on them, so I had to throw them away. I was walking down the street and a little consignment shop. I saw those high heels that I used to have. They said they were $35. They're my size. This is perfect. I told the girl that works there, was like, can I see them? I'll give these to you for $5. $5 cute. And you can tell they've like never been worn. But the reason I'm telling this story is because when days like that happen, I should be vlogging, but I don't. And then I vlog stuff like me cleaning my room. Is this interesting? Probably not. I'm doing it. I'm trying to really dive into YouTube. I've been trying to do it for years. I need to start. I love YouTube. I just need to do it. Here I am, cleaning my room for you guys to watch. Maybe I'll switch up my outfits. Shout out to my boyfriend for this cute outfit. Okay. I hate this so much. Guys, you can see my floor. I'm gonna keep it blurry though because you're not allowed to see what my room looks like, but it's getting clean. It is time for the final reveal. Right on the floor. So these are my necklaces. This is from my boyfriend, so special. All this lovely stuff. This is from my best friend Skylar, whom I miss. This light is really cool because I can change it on my phone. enjoyed me. Okay, I'm gonna have to close my legs. I hope you guys enjoyed me cleaning my room. I hope you, So I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me cleaning my room. I like to watch people clean their rooms because it inspires me to clean my room. I hope this gave you the motivation to clean your room. Stop being lazy, get your butt up and clean your dang room. Alright, see you later in the next video. Bye guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.